Alright guys, welcome back. This will be number 10. Today I am going to sand the walls, rescreen all of the screens, and possibly start some painting, so let's get to it. I ordered some .09 cord from Amazon, actually from eBay. Let's see if it matches. Looks like it. Yep, it is. Alright, so we're good to pull. Pop out the screen. I've got some screens from previously. Knife. Okay. Around the corner. Cut the excess off and we're good. There we go, one down. Let's get a couple more done. Number 2, green. Start her in there. Oh man, I cut it. Oh, she got cut from the roller. Let's have a second go at it. Did it again. This metal roller likes to cut this screen. Do we have any plastic rollers here, I wonder? Well, that are smaller. I think this one cuts it too, because there's a cut there. Yep, this one cuts it too. Huh. Well, I can't have that happening. All right, so Lowe's has the plastic one that I used previously to do all these screens, and I didn't have any tears, so I'm gonna run up there and grab one of those. Nylon one. This is what I used before, so this should work. Beautiful. Oh, that roller still doesn't seem to even get it down in there far enough. This does, though. There it is. 2 down, trim her up. Nice. Good. All right, next. This part really tightens it up, too, you know? Trim her up. That'll be 3 down. We need untangled spline. It's gonna turn itself into a jolly old knot. There it is. Wrong side of my screen frame up. All right, those are done. Bong bong, like a trampoline. Maybe we'll pull out that screen door. Door's gonna need to be cleaned and repainted. Pull out these 9 screws here and get this thing off. Let's see if I can get this cleaned up before we put a new screen in it. Melted in there. Garbage. I'm just gonna take this thing out here, hold on to it, and do some squirting on it. Okay, while that screen frame is drying, let's see if we can get a measurement on this window. 13.5 by 22.25. I need 2 pieces of glass for that so we can make the dual pane window again. I got a new frame too for the inside of this because this one's kind of the end of its life, you know. I think I need to fix that door before we'll finish doing this screen door, and then I think tomorrow I'll pop this main door off and then we'll try to take it apart. Let's finish painting this thing. Let's put this somewhere to dry. I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I'm going to go pick up some glass for this door in the morning, and then paint on that screen door. Won't be dry for 12 hours, it says, so that'll be dry. We'll be able to screen that, and then we'll fix this back door. I got to pick up some more white paint too for this door so we can paint that upper part up there. That's kind of rough over there. I got Bondo. I guess we can throw some Bondo on there. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all, welcome back. Day 2 here. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this interior here so we can get it ready for paint. So let's get on to sanding. all of this is sanded. I got that sanded over there. That is done. All of these walls are done and we are ready to put primer on them, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw the screen in that door. Let's go do that real quick. What? Am I not gonna have enough? Are you kidding? Take it off to there. That goes there. Oh, it's like an inch, 2 inches too small. Son of a gun. What bummer deal, isn't it? It happens, don't it? Alright, there's that. I was just looking at this. This new cord doesn't seem like it's big enough. I can literally pull my screen out. So I got some of the old, some of the new, and they are definitely different. Not by much, but they are. I gotta run up to the store. Alright, well, I just recorded that with no audio in, so there it is. It's done, ready to go in. This door, let me see if we can fit that in there. These are pretty universal. That's backwards. Yeah. Keep the bugs out. I'm gonna actually go throw in these rubbers for the windows. I painted these with the Rust-Oleum Professional and they're nice and wet. Yeah. Pretty good, looks like. Nice. Looks good too. So all those are in. We'll do the door hopefully tomorrow. It'll probably take longer than that, but hope not. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, here we are. Today we're going to take this door off and see if we can't get it repaired today and put back in. What do you think? We'll give it a go. I don't know, maybe. I hope so. Like we just need to get to it and quit talking about it. That one's rusted out. There we are, one door. Let's go stick it in the garage. Let's take this window frame off. Garbage. Let's see if I can lift this out of here. Probably not gonna come out. Pretty stuck. Let's see if I can use the end of this paintbrush. That's working. Seems like it's gonna come out. She came out. Nice. How about that? How does that come off? Start down there. Yep, look at there. Siliconed on. Yeah. Well, that's off. We can paint that up. Get that looking spiffy. This, where's my little scraper? Little scraper. I don't want to wreck this fiberglass. Or Luan, what do they get? What is this? Filon? Sawing action? I think I just need to do the top of this. Feels like it'll fold back. Plywood frame with some foam in it. This side's not too bad. Yeah, I think that'll work. I'll just find a way to hold this up in the air while I glue that and let it tack up. I'm gonna actually squirt some paint on this. Nobody had 1.5 inch, but they had 1/2 inch. So if I put 3 of them together, I get what I need. I'm gonna try the glue on here, see if she melts it. Dab there, see if it melts that. So maybe we're better off just peeling the film off. Should peel off pretty easy. And then prime that so the primer adheres to this. Can we peel it off? All right, one off. don't know if I'm gonna get this door back together. I'll probably have to end up just buying the 1.5 inches from somewhere, drive around and find it. Now, let's put that over. Hey guys, all right, so it is the following day. I went and downloaded all the videos and my microphone had died, so I don't have any audio on it, but I ended up putting weldwood on those foam, 1/2 inch foam pieces that I primed up, and it just started eating them, so I can't put that in there. There won't be any structure to it. So I ended up going down to Imperial Foam and picking up some foam from them. You have to buy a full 4x8 sheet or $20 worth, so I have a full sheet to do those few little sections in there, but I'm gonna end the video here and we'll end up finishing the door and putting it on in the next video. So stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.